Hello everyone. Okay, today I will show you guys how to use Buffer app to schedule a post on your social channels. Okay, so you click on Buffer app. After, you must have downloaded it from your Play Store or Apple Store. So this is the sign up or login section. Down here, if you don't have an account with Buffer, you click on I'm new to Buffer. Let's sign up. But if you already have an account, you click on I already have a Buffer account. So for this video purpose, I assume most of the persons watching this doesn't have an account. So you click on I'm new to Buffer, let's sign up. So down here, you add your email address and your password. All right. But here is the catch. Why adding a password? Let me show you an example. First of all, let me add my email address. All right. This is an email address, my email address. All right. So here, you have to take note of the info over here, which is 8 plus character, 1 uppercase and 1 number or symbol. What this means is that you have an uppercase, let's say, start with H. All right. You can see the 1 uppercase is highlighted. Then you make it 8 plus character longer. 8 plus character is highlighted. All right. Then you have to add a symbol or a number. So let's add any number of our choice. You can see the tree is highlighted, the 8 plus characters, 1 uppercase, 1 number or symbol, they are all highlighted. All right. So with this, you have a strong password that you can use for your Buffer account. So it's recommended you make sure all this sticks, make sure all this is highlighted. All right. So that is it. So I will log into my account because I already have a Buffer account. So I'll click on login and add in my details and login. So wait for it to load. It's loading. It's loading. All right, we're here. This before you schedule any post on your Buffer app, you have to first of all connect your social channels. So you click on the 3 lines on the topmost of your screen on your phone. Then you select whichever channel you want to use for your scheduling or to link to your Buffer account. But you can only, if you are using a free plan, you can only add 3 of your channels. You're only allowed to add 3 of your channels. But if you want to add more than 3 channels, you can only subscribe to the plans that will give you that. All right. Now to connect to a channel, as you can see, I already have a channel connected to this. These are my channels. So let's say I want to add a Facebook channel. Just click on the connect Facebook. So down here, you can either use your Facebook page or a Facebook group. Once you choose whichever one you want, just follow the prompt, add in your login details, and it's connected. That's it. All right. You can also add in your Instagram, your trends, LinkedIn, YouTube, TikTok, your Pinterest. All right. You can add it up. So that's how to do it. So right now, let's start for the creation. So over here, you click on the pencil icon. You can see the pencil icon here. You click on it. Then you start to type in your content. Let's say learn how to use Buffer app to schedule a post in 5 minutes right from your phone. All right, so now you've written your content text. So the next thing you will do is to add a video or a photo to this. So to add that, you have to click on attach. You can see it over here. You click on attach. All right, you can also add in your URL or documents, whatever thing you want to use. All right, so but here you're using a photo or your video, so you click on gallery, then choose. It's loading. It's loading. You can also add a description. How to use Buffer app. Done. So right here, you are done writing your content and adding a photo to it. So here is where the magic happens. You have to schedule this post. All right, you have to schedule the post. So over here, you choose which of your channel you want this to go to. All right, if you want it to go to the boat, you select the boat. All right, if you want it to go to one, you just click one. All right, so you click on done. So right here, you have selected the channel which you want it to go live to. So you have to select the date and time. So you click on next. Then over here you see add to queue, schedule, costume schedule, share now, customize, save as draft, and schedule draft. Save as draft and schedule draft. So you click on costume schedule. Then select the date and time. First of all, you choose the date. Let's say 31st of July or 25th of July. All right. Now you have selected the date. The next thing you do is to set your time. You click on set time. Let's say you want the post to go live by 12 noon. All right. You click on 12. All right. So once you click OK, automatically your content will be scheduled on Buffer, and it will go live on the 25th. That's the day you schedule it to go live, and the time you also schedule it to go. So if you click OK, it's creating your post. All right, so your post has been created. So to see that, you go to your calendar, you click on the three lines above your screen, go to calendar. Now you go to 25th. This is it here. Click on 25th. This is your calendar. These are my posts. As you can see, there are a lot of scheduled posts here which have gone live and which is about to go live. So you click on 25th, go to 12 noon. You can see this is it. So on the 25th of July by 12 noon, this post will go live on LinkedIn, exactly the way it is over here. So there is no need going back to your LinkedIn account trying to make a post on that very day. Meanwhile, you've already done that. So this is how to do it. It's simple, easy, and very straightforward thing to do. You don't need to start complicating anything. So that is it. All right. So thank you guys for watching, and do subscribe to my channel and click your thumbs up. Thank you.